Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I have an important update regarding a couple of the Milwaukee deals from yesterday's video. Then I want to show you a new page with additional Milwaukee deals if you are interested. So yesterday we talked about this deal with the two 6 amp hour batteries that came with a free tool, and it was supposed to be $199. So it was $199 here, and then you clicked here and you could add any of these free items to your cart, and it would show up as two separate items, two separate purchases within your cart. We also had this deal here that's supposed to be, I believe it was $129, and it was the same thing. You get the 4 and you get the 2, and then you add whichever free tool you want there. And since doing the video yesterday, I've had a couple of between comments and people contacting me saying that the prices in the video weren't any good. Well, this goes through November 6th, and the deals are still available, just not from this page anymore. Look, I never talk about it. I personally consider it stealing, and I'm not interested in anyone's debate on the topic at all, but just on my channel, I don't talk about it. But there are things people do in regards to these purchases and returns, and I don't have any evidence of it, but I'm thinking that's why this page is changed and why the prices are higher now, because the deals still are available. So here is a Milwaukee tool deal page right from Home Depot's website, and I'll put links down below to my original posts, and at the top there is this link. The red text, this link brings you to the page we were just looking at Home Depot's website. And it looks like this page includes all of the deals we mentioned yesterday, plus other deals that are available. Like this over here wasn't part of the video yesterday, but the oscillating tool was, and you can still see it's at $129. Now when you add it to your cart, it's all a single purchase. It's all one item. So, but like the cutoff tool with the extra oscillating for $199, that wasn't part of yesterday's deal. Some of these have been existing for a while. This was part of yesterday's deal at $199. So like I said, I think everything that was in yesterday's video as far as the starting 2 Home Depot deals, you will be able to find on this page for the correct price. And my theory, well, you know my theory, we already talked about it. So anyway, anyone who is still interested or tried it yesterday and then the price didn't come out the way you expected, it is still available. I have that link for you. You can still get, whatever you were interested in, just a roundabout way. Find it in this list here. And obviously there's quite a few other things that weren't part of that video that's in here, if you see anything else that catches your eye. But anyways, that's what's going on. Just want to give you guys an update so people aren't missing out if they were trying to get that deal and the pages weren't showing up right and everything. Just want to let you know, updated that link, and that's what I think happened. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a welcome change. I hope Home Depot does that in the future going forward, because it's obviously not intended. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for not a subscriber. See you guys next time.